Connecting DHL to Shopify enables real-time shipping rates, label printing, tracking sync, and automated fulfillment. DHL offers multiple integration options depending on your needs: DHL Express, e-commerce, packet, etc. Recommended and easiest methods. Use the official DHL shipping app. Shopify admin, apps, Shopify App Store. Search DHL. Install one of these top-rated official or partners apps. DHL Express. Shipping and tracking. Official for DHL Express. DHL e-commerce or DHL packet. Region specific. Click Add App. Install. Authorize. Configure DHL in the app. Open the app dashboard. Enter your DHL account credentials, account number, user ID, password, API key. Get from your DHL business account or DHL partner portal. Select services, express, economy, standard, etc. Set default packaging, insurance, duties, taxes handling. Enable real-time rates at checkout. Customer sees accurate DHL shipping costs. Turn on automatic label creation and tracking sync. Updates Shopify order with tracking number. Activate and test. In settings, shipping and delivery, add or edit shipping zone. Select DHL as carrier via app. Set rate rules, flat, weight-based, carrier calculated. Test. Add product, checkout, verify DHL rates appear. Place test order, check label generation and tracking.